Welcome to House Design Inspo, your destination for creative ideas and inspiration to transform your living spaces. Today, we're setting sail for the charming shores of New England as we explore the enduring appeal of Cape Cod house design ideas. This beloved architectural style is more than just a building. It's a symbol of coastal living, resilience, and a timeless, understated elegance. It evokes feelings of salty air, cozy evenings by the fire, and a comforting sense of history and home. If you're ready to be enchanted by this classic American style, please give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more design journeys, and let us know in the comments what first comes to mind when you think of Cape Cod design. The Cape Cod house, with its roots tracing back to 17th century New England, was born out of practicality and a need for sturdy shelter against harsh coastal weather. Its design philosophy is centered on simplicity, functionality, and a harmonious blend with its natural surroundings. These homes were originally modest, 1 or 1.5 story structures, built to withstand strong winds and retain heat. Over centuries, this practical design has evolved, yet it retains its core characteristics that exude a sense of enduring charm and unpretentious beauty. It's a style that speaks of hearth and home, of community, and of a deep connection to the sea. The aesthetic of a Cape Cod home is instantly recognizable and widely cherished. Externally, the most defining feature is its steeply pitched gabled roof, designed to shed snow and rain efficiently. A large, central chimney is another hallmark, traditionally serving multiple fireplaces within the home. The facade is typically symmetrical, often with a central front door flanked by an equal number of multi-paned windows on either side. Dormer windows, usually gabled, frequently punctuate the roof, adding light and space to the upper level while contributing to the style's characteristic look. Siding is almost invariably wood, either clapboard or shingles, often weathered to a beautiful silvery gray by the coastal elements. Internally, Cape Cod homes are known for their cozy and efficient layouts. Original Capes often featured a central hall with rooms branching off and a steep, narrow staircase leading to the upper half-story, which might have contained bedrooms with charming, sloped ceilings. While modern interpretations offer more expansive and open floor plans, the feeling of intimacy and thoughtful use of space remains. Natural light is a key component, with strategically placed windows brightening the interiors and connecting them to the outside world. The materials used in Cape Cod design reflect its practical origins and coastal setting. Wood is paramount, from the structural frame to the exterior shingles or clapboard siding, and often for interior flooring and paneling. Cedar shingles are particularly iconic, aging gracefully over time. Brick is commonly used for the prominent chimneys and sometimes for walkways or foundation accents. Window frames are typically wood, and details like shutters add to the classic charm. Inside, natural materials continue to dominate, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Color palettes for Cape Cod exteriors are often inspired by the coastal landscape. Weathered grays, crisp whites, and soft blues are classic choices for siding. Trim is usually white, providing a clean contrast. Shutters offer an opportunity for a pop of color, with traditional choices including black, deep green, cranberry red, or navy blue. The front door can also be a focal point, painted in a welcoming hue. Inside, the palette typically remains light and airy to maximize the sense of space and brightness. Nautical blues, sandy beiges, seafoam greens, and plenty of white create a fresh and serene backdrop. Warm wood tones from flooring or furniture add depth and coziness. When it comes to furnishing a Cape Cod-style home, the emphasis is on comfort, simplicity, and timeless appeal. Furniture pieces are often traditional American or colonial-inspired, with clean lines and unfussy details. Think of sturdy wooden pieces, comfortable upholstered seating, and perhaps some wicker or wrought tan for a coastal touch. Built-in cabinetry, like window seats or bookshelves, is a common feature, maximizing space and adding charm. Nautical motifs can be incorporated subtly through textiles, artwork, or accessories, but the overall feel should be classic and collected, rather than overly themed. The mood is one of relaxed elegance, where every piece feels purposeful and inviting. What is it about the Cape Cod style that particularly captures your imagination? Is it the picturesque exterior, the cozy interiors, or the feeling of coastal heritage it embodies? We'd be delighted to hear your thoughts in the comments section. And if you're finding this exploration inspiring, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to House Design Inspo for more content like this. Over time, variations of the original Cape Cod design emerged. The half cape was a smaller version with a door on one side and two windows on the other. The three-quarter cape featured a door with two windows on one side and one on the other. The full cape, which is perhaps the most iconic, is the symmetrical design with a central door and two windows on each side. Today, modern Cape Cod designs often expand on these traditional forms, incorporating larger footprints, more open-plan living, and contemporary amenities, while still retaining the characteristic roofline, dormers, and overall charm. Some designs might blend Cape Cod elements with farmhouse or cottage styles for a unique, personalized look. If you're drawn to Cape Cod design and wish to incorporate its elements into your own home, there are several ways to do so, even if you don't live by the sea. Externally, focus on symmetry if possible, and consider classic siding choices like shingles or clapboard in traditional colors. Well-proportioned dormers can add significant character. For interiors, embrace a light and airy color palette with touches of nautical blue. Choose simple, traditional furniture and natural fiber textiles like cotton and linen. Hardwood floors are a natural fit. Window treatments like simple curtains, Roman shades, or classic shutters enhance the style. Even small touches like brass hardware, traditional light fixtures, or coastal-inspired artwork can help evoke the Cape Cod spirit. Landscaping often features classic coastal plants like hydrangeas, roses, and ornamental grasses, with charming picket fences or stone walls. The enduring benefit of Cape Cod design lies in its timeless appeal and inherent coziness. These are homes built with longevity in mind, both structurally and stylistically. They offer a sense of security and comfort that is universally appealing. Their typically smaller scale, at least in traditional forms, can also mean more efficient use of energy and resources. The connection to history and tradition provides a grounding quality that many find deeply satisfying in a fast-paced modern world. When considering a Cape Cod design, it's worth noting that the sloped ceilings on the upper floors, a characteristic feature, can sometimes limit headroom or furniture placement, though they also add undeniable charm. Older, original Cape Cod homes might have smaller rooms and less open layouts than contemporary preferences dictate, but modern adaptations often address this. Ensuring adequate natural light, especially in the traditionally more compact spaces, is also a key consideration, often achieved through well-placed windows and dormers. In essence, Cape Cod house design offers a beautiful blend of history, practicality, and coastal charm. It's a style that feels both humble and distinguished, creating homes that are as welcoming on the inside as they are picturesque on the outside. It's about crafting a haven that is comfortable, timeless, and deeply connected to a sense of place and heritage. It's an invitation to embrace a simpler, more serene way of living, wrapped in the enduring appeal of classic American architecture. Thank you for joining us at House Design Inspo as we explored the delightful world of Cape Cod house design ideas. We hope you're leaving with a fresh appreciation for this iconic style and perhaps some inspiration for your own home. If you enjoyed our journey today, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and hitting that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future design explorations. We look forward to inspiring you again soon.